Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to use the milling machine to make a tool to remove the nut from the Arctic Cat differential. So this is what we're dealing with right here. This is a number 20 to 16 ORB fitting. And it looks like the nut will probably work. The problem is we need to bore this out to fit over top of here. Did my first cut, did a measurement, still got a ways to go. This little small mill can only take small cuts at a time, so this is going to take a little while. So this nut is locked in place. There's an oil gallery there. I just tapped it and we're gonna have to fix it up a little bit, but hopefully I got that notch pounded back enough that we can get this nut out. It's right hand thread. So let's throw our tool in there and use the impact gun, see if we can spin it off. You know, the manual doesn't tell you to do anything special besides put an impact gun on it. Maybe I'm gonna apply some heat. Shit. Things in there tight. Well, we got her out. She was tight the whole way. Glad I used some heat on her. All that water over the years locked her in there pretty darn good. Oh, it's coming. She's coming. And she's out. Well, we built the tool. We got the pinion nut out. But not without sacrifice. And now we're in big trouble. So I want to share you my experiences here. So if you get into a situation, you don't end up in the same boat I am, which is sinking really fast. So earlier, this is the locking collar as they call it. So once you set the pinion into place, you knock down this. And what I did is that I tried to peel the metal away by using a punch, but you could see where I had damaged the threads there. But the real problem is that the first few threads are really screwed up. So in my situation, if I was going to do this all over again, I would take a die grinder and I would just die grind this little section out very carefully, because now I'm in a situation where I damaged a whole bunch of threads up top and I'm buffing them out and hoping I could salvage down below. And if I'm not able to get something to work, I'm going to be forking out $250 for a new case, $50 for a new nut, $300 for a screw up. So I'm going to end the video here. And I'm hoping if you watch this video that you don't make the same mistake I did and you kind of take my advice. But if you have done it and you haven't screwed it up, post your comments below. Anyways, I'm going to get going and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.